As we head into the holiday season, it's crucial to prioritize our health. November is Diabetes Awareness Month, and with World Diabetes Day on November 14th, there's no better time to embrace the theme, Eat Better, Feel Better. Hey, my name's Francois. I'm the founder and chief medical exercise specialist here at the Other Pain Clinic. And this month, my focus is the Diabetes Awareness Edition, Eat Better, Feel Better. By making mindful food choices, we can manage and prevent diabetes. We can boost our energy and overall well-being. And even if it's not just diabetes, maybe you're having diabetes, or maybe it's another chronic health condition or chronic pain as well. I invite you to follow me on YouTube at The Other Pain Clinic, on the Facebook page, The Other Pain Clinic, for practical tips, delicious recipes, and some advice to help you thrive during the holidays that are coming up and beyond. And today, I just want to share this quote with you. I think it ties into what I'm trying to do with this month, because the secret of our future is hidden in our daily routine. Like, think about it, right? Because what do you think this means when it comes to kind of our overall health? And especially right now for November, is looking at managing or preventing diabetes. It might mean that if you want different results, you need a different routine. Maybe it's like choosing something to eat, like a protein-packed breakfast over running on coffee until lunch, or even getting into a morning routine of maybe a small walk for the morning sunlight over scrolling through social media first thing in the morning. After a while, when we wake up and realize we're not only feeling better, but these habits that once took effort are now just part of our new identity. And that's how we can stay healthy well into our lifespan, our 40s, our 50s, our 60s, and beyond as well. Because it's how we build a future that we can actually look forward to as well. So, my question is, how does your routine need to change to get you different results? Like I said, do follow me on YouTube at thepanclinic.com. Yeah, I think that's right? At the Other Pain Clinic. Yes, for YouTube. And Facebook page, The Other Pain Clinic, and also website, theotherpainclinic.com. There we go. All right, said that right. So um, please share, and this could help out for accountability and support as well. I'll see you in the next video.